You know what sucks? Having to crawl in the back of your pickup truck. And that's why we make CargoGlide. I'm Greg Randolph. I'm here for another episode of Decked 101. I'm gonna walk you through the entire CargoGlide product line and hopefully answer all your questions. What we've done is created a pretty cool sliding tray system that brings your cargo out to you. So you don't have to get back in there, reach over the side, risk injury, waste time, and just generally cause yourself frustration. We make two versions of it. One which comes out 100% of the way, and another which has a 70% extension. And then the other thing to know about CargoGlide is we make them in 3 different payload ratings. You have 1,000 pounds, 1,500 pounds, and 2,200 pounds. The 1,000 pound, 70% extension will go on your deck drawer system. We do not approve any other installation of the larger, heavier capacity CargoGlides or 100% CargoGlides for the drawer system. Now, one thing that's really important to think about when you're sliding a bunch of things in and out of your truck, especially heavy things, is you don't want that thing to slide out all the way at once. It could get momentum if you're on a hill. You may only want a little bit of it out. You might be parked someplace where you're against a wall. You don't get to get crushed by a load between your CargoGlide and a wall. That would not be good. So the way this is designed is the lever which actuates it actually has a bunch of stops. And those stops allow you to adjust just how far that tray comes out. And of course, all the way in, it's locked. Those multiple positions will obviously change the number of positions you have based on the length of your truck bed and your CargoGlide, but it gives you an incremental adjustment for how much your cargo is going to come out at one time. It's overbuilt, it's industrial designed, it's over-engineered. We make these things super burly, so you don't have to worry if you've got, like, say, 1,000 pound CargoGlide and you don't have a balanced load in there, it's not going to care. It's able to withstand, kind of asymmetrical weight loading. It's not going to get weird even if you do, and it gives you the opportunity to put all that big heavy stuff for your work day or for recreation or whatever you're doing in the back of your truck. You don't have to think about it, and then when it's time to get it out, like I said, you have to crawl in the back of your truck. There's a powder-coated steel frame that mounts the bed of the truck. It provides a sliding surface that the tray slides on. The tray itself, which you're seeing right here, is made from 3/4 inch marine grade plywood. So that's designed to be outside in the elements to get abused. It also is really rigid torsionally. And we shroud that marine grade plywood with an aluminum frame, which also keeps it from racking under load and gives you a little bit of a sidewall to keep your things from sliding out. The top of the plywood's coated with a thermoplastic rubber sheet just to protect it from getting ripped up when you're sliding things in and out. It's super burly. Like I said, it keeps the weather out, also isn't affected by UV exposure, and it just gives you a really industrial, strong surface to work on. You'll notice on the XL, so that's a full extension, 100% extension, we include high sides, and that gives you a way to collect that cargo. When you roll it out, things won't topple out onto the ground because you can pull that load all the way out. Those high sides are also compatible with the 70% or the CG product line. They do not come standard with a product like they do with the XL product line. You'll notice on the inside here, there are some tie-down loops. Those tie-down loops are designed so you can adjust those tie-downs to lash down loads. If you want things to stay stable, keep them from flying out, you can move those up and down inside the frame itself. We also make an external tie-down, which goes on the outside of the frame if you don't want your tie-downs protruding inside of the frame and compromising how you're loading that thing up. And then if you have a funky tailgate, sometimes tailgates have a strange ramp angle. We also make a riser package, and that riser will help lift the CargoGlide up just a little bit, like a lift on a pickup truck, and make it so that when the tray slides out, it doesn't interfere with your tailgate. We make a deck CargoGlide for nearly every full-size truck and mid-size truck and cargo van that's on the road today. Really, the only full-size and mid-size trucks that we don't have are for composite beds like the Tacoma and the new Toyota Tundra. We're working on that, so stay tuned. By the time you see this, maybe a problem's been solved. You'll know in the vehicle selector if your vehicle's available for the CargoGlide. And so that's the CargoGlide product line from Decked. Like all the products we make, it's backed by a lifetime warranty. And as always, I want to say thanks for tuning in to Decked 101. We're here to help you. We'd love to make you a customer. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please hit us up in the comment section of this video. Contact us via social media, whether it's a DM or a comment even in one of our posts. We answer our phones, we answer emails. Even if you'd like to send a smoke signal, we're here to work with you. Thanks again for tuning in, and let us know how we can help.